Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and you all are practicing problems. Let us for now solve this one and we are given one ideal transformer. ठीक है, आइडियल ट्रांसफॉर्मर मीनिंग सबसे पहले तो ये समझो कि ट्रांसफॉर्मर सर्किट कैसा दिखता है. सो देयर विल बी वन प्राइमरी सर्किट, another secondary circuit. In the primary circuit there will be a voltage source and because of it there will be current in this circuit, and because of this current flux will get generated across this inductor, primary inductor. This is called primary coil, and since current is changing, flux across it is changing. Now flux through this, flux is passing through this and that will get linked with the secondary coil over here, and because of flux changing here, flux also will change here, and here voltage will get induced, and induced voltage will induce current in this secondary circuit. This is secondary circuit, okay. And since this is the induced current in secondary circuit, its direction will be opposite to that of current in the primary circuit. Then according to Lenge's law, so current will be like this. अब देखो मुझे फॉर्मूला याद नहीं रहता, सो आई विल टेक यू थ्रू द कॉन्सेप्ट एंड इट इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू बिकॉज just remembering formula is not going to help you much in JEE advanced sort of exams, so you should know from where the things are coming out. Okay, so since this is ideal transformer, I would say, what is meaning of ideal transformer? Whatever flux is linked with this primary coil will get linked with the secondary coil, so 100% flux linkage. Okay, so this is uh, one definition of your ideal transformer, and that is why if I say flux through N1 is phi1 and flux through N2 is phi2, then these two has to be equal. Okay, and also for ideal transformer meaning, whatever power is getting supplied to primary coil, so let's say here voltage drop across primary is V1, so power supplied is V1 I1, and voltage drop across or induced voltage across this secondary is V2, then power is how much? V2 I2, and since there is no power loss, ideal transformer, this is equal to this. Okay, so these are the two things, and by using these two things we can easily solve for this question. अब आप ध्यान से देखो, V1 can be written as what? Minus N1 d phi 1 by dt, and V2 can be written as what? Minus N2 d phi 2 by dt. You divide these two. Since flux linkage is same, this will get cancelled. V1 by V2 is N1 by N2. So V1 by V2 is equal to N1 is how much? 5 by 1 is N1 by N2. Now V1 is not given, V2 is given. Potential difference across load resistance, that is 100 ohm, is 50 volt. So whatever is voltage drop across it will be voltage drop across it, right? So if it is 50 volt, here it is 50 volt. So V2 is 50. V1 will be how much? 250 volt. Okay? So here voltage drop is how much? 250 volt. And here voltage drop will be how much? 50 volt, because this hole was 300 volt. We are asked to calculate value of R. So now if we know what is the current through primary, we can easily calculate what will be the value of R, because we already know the voltage drop. So I1 निकालने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We know that V1 I1 is equal to V2 I2. अब देखो यहाँ पे RL का वैल्यू इज गिवन 100 ohm and voltage drop across it is 100 ohm, and this is 50 volt. So current across current in this secondary circuit, that is I2, can be written as 50 by 100. ठीक है, 50 volt by 100. Yes, so this will give you how much? 5 by 10, and that is 1 by 2. So I2 is known 1 by 2. V1, so I1 is equal to how much? V2 by V1 into I2. I2 is how much? Half. So V2 by V1 is how much? V2 is your 50, 50 by 250. So this is 50 by 250 into half. So this will become how much? This will become 1 by 10. So current in primary circuit is how much? 1 by 10 ampere. Okay. Now across R, you know, voltage drop is this, current is 1 by 10. So R का value will be how much? So I1 को आप लिख सकते हो 50 volt divided by R. Done है. And here I1 is equal to 1 by 10. So R is equal to how much? 500 ohm. So I hope you have got this question. This was simple one, I would say. You simply needed to remember the formula. And if you know the concept, that is more better, because you can then appreciate the question. Right now, you are in the learning process. You can use such things. And once you are confident about whatever concept is involved in the question, you can directly go with the formula, put in things, and get answer in very short amount of time. That also boosts a student's confidence, right? So that is also very important. Anyway, I hope it is done. But if you have any doubt, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.